I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to delete your Google Assistant voice recordings. Step 1. Open your web browser, go to myactivity.google.com, and sign into your Google account if you are prompted. Step 2. Scroll down this menu and then click Filter by Date and Product. The associated window opens. Step 3. Navigate to the Filter by Date section and then click to expand the drop-down menu associated with all time. Click to choose how far back you want to delete your Google Assistant voice recordings for. In this example, I'll leave this at all time. Step 4. Navigate to the Filter by Google Product section. Check the box next to Assistant and then click Apply. You'll see a list of all of the activity associated with Google Assistant in your account. Step 5. You can delete a single item by clicking the X associated with it and then clicking Delete in the window that pops up. Alternatively, if you want to delete all of your Google Assistant activity, click Delete Results. Again, a window pops up letting you know that this activity will be permanently deleted from your Google account and no longer used for personalization. Click Delete. The next window lets you know that data, including any audio recordings, has successfully been deleted. Click Got It. If you want to prevent Google from saving these recordings entirely in the future, you can turn off the collection setting from this same portal. Navigate back to the main My Activity page and click Web and App Activity. Look for the setting labeled Include Voice and Audio Activity and uncheck the box next to it. A window pops up asking if you're sure you want to stop saving audio recordings. Click Stop Saving. Once disabled, your future voice inputs across Google Assistant, Search, and Maps will no longer be archived on Google servers. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.